Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of August the 13th to the 19th, and we got a bunch of great deals. Now, we're going to look at the deals, but with the boosters specifically, we're not going to know till Sunday what's going to go with what. A lot of us received these 3 boosters, and we're going to have to wait and see how they play out. The first one at the top is 7 back when you spend 20, 15 back when you spend 30 in vitamins. The one bottom left-hand side is 5 back when you spend 15 or 10 back when you spend 25 on selected items. We're still looking at that one. And then on the right-hand side is 7 back when you spend 25 on skin. So I'm thinking if we stack these two theory, it should be $17 back when you spend 25 on skin, hair, or oral. But it says select. So we're going to have to wait and see what that is. And what's going to work with it. The easiest way is to maybe throw in a $29.99 Olay skincare on Sunday morning into a basket and see, are the boosters stacking, are they not? But I really can't talk more. We'll have to wait and see how it shakes out, but this potentially could be amazing. Okay, before we take a deep dive into all the deals, if you could possibly do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me if you can take a second and like the video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so let's hop right into these deals. The first one we're going to look at is with either the Old Spice or Olay at $7 a pop. We're going to have a 5 off 3 digital, and then you get back a $5 register reward when you buy 3. Throwing 3 of these into a basket, it's $21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per body wash. Does IBOTTA have a rebate? And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn that register reward. Okay, so now we have the $3 to $4 Crest Oral-B products, $4 reward when you buy 2, which is really nice, and that's a register reward. If you remember last week, we got a 3 off of 2 digital, and it's valid right through next week if you did not use it. So make sure you have this guy loaded for this deal. Grabbing 2 of the cheaper toothpaste at $3 a pop, that's 6. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 3. Get back a $4 register reward, making this free and a $1 money maker. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward if you're doing this not with a booster. Another great deal on oral care is the $4 Colgate's $5 reward when you buy 2 of them. If you remember last week, we have dollar digitals. If you want to get 2 pastes or 2 brushes or washes, if they are in fact included, check ShopMe to apply for that other dollar rebate, because there's only $1 per, but say you wanted to get 2 toothpastes or 2 toothbrushes, that's the way around it. 2 of the Colgates at $4 a pop is 8. Subtracting the $2 digitals, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it like $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. Remember to photograph your receipt to fetch rewards. They were giving back like 1,800 points for buying Colgate, so that's fantastic. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. LYSOL sanitizer spray, 2 for $15. We have a $3 digital coupon in the app right now, so make sure you have that loaded. Also, ShopMe has $3 back for this product, so make sure you have that loaded as well. If you head over to IBOTTA, there's $3 back for each, so you're going to get $6 back. Double, triple check your IBOTTA account has that on Sunday morning. Putting 2 of these into a basket, it's $15. Subtracting that $3 digital, you're going to pay $12. Make that submission to ShopMe for $3. $6 back from IBOTTA, making $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per spray. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash, if you're doing this without a booster, I absolutely would go for it. This is a newer product. I'm curious about it too. So, how great is this deal? Okay, the next little thing we're going to look at is the $9.99 Gain Laundry Care. We're going to grab 1 detergent and 1 softener product. $4 reward when you buy 2. We have $2 digital coupons in the app right now, so make sure you have them loaded. Grabbing 1 of each, guys, it's $19.98. Subtracting the $2 coupons, you're going to pay $15.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $11.98 for the 2 or $5.99 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. Another deal that's floating around, however, the gain coupons I believe are expiring on Saturday. To buy 4 of these products to get a $5 register reward. The product's at $5.49. We'll have to wait and see how that one shakes out. Because I think it'll be like still a little bit more than buying the larger bottles, but we'll have to wait and see. If you love Arm & Hammer, I believe it's $7.99 for the first and the other 2 are free. Um, Also, IBOTTA has a rebate. However, it's for the much larger bottles. So even if you go through your stockpile, open up IBOTTA and scan the barcodes, it's going to say error, error, error. You know how they do that. So let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. Actually, we have a lot in this list. The first is with back to school right around the corner. We have 99¢, 55¢ for the glue, and $1.49 for those Crayola markers, erasers for 49¢. Just a whole bunch of stuff that they every week card out, like here's some cheap stuff. So that Elmer's glue, I think for 55¢, is the school deal of the week. Moving it along, the pens are still 99¢, and it's still on that promotion of spend 20, get back 5. I saw in my Fetch Rewards account, guys, something like spend 20 on Sharpie products, get back like $3. It's not Papermate though. I still don't have that rebate. And we have the $1.99 Complete Home or the Walgreens brand tissue or trash bags. I believe this stuff is very comparable to Charmin. I would say that the toilet paper is made in the same factory because it feels identical. I love the Ultra Soft toilet paper. IBOTTA has $1 back for Tylenol products. This is 2 for $10, so it would make it $8 for the 2 or $4 per. I mean, if you really need your Tylenol, this might be a deal for you. I think there's IVC coupons as well. And this is so adorable if you're a makeup fan. A limited edition Alice in Wonderland makeup set by Wet n Wild. I know that they did... what did they do earlier this year that was so cute? Sesame Street. That was another one that they did. But Alice in Wonderland, this looks really interesting, so I'm excited for that. And the Fresh Step, if you have a bunch of cats, $10.49. This is about $2 of savings. I know a lot of us probably have a lot of Walgreens cash, especially after the My Walgreens days. I'm almost tempted to grab, either 2 or 5 of these and use $20 or $50 in Walgreens cash. This and garbage bags, 2 items I hate buying with real money. We have the CHEEZ for $3.19. These are the smaller boxes. So it shakes it out to $1.59 per if you're entertaining, for the summer months or having people over. It might be a really nice cracker to have on hand. And we have the Fruit Loops still on a buy one, get 2 for free. I would definitely double, triple check your Ibotta rebates. Are some of the rebates finally appearing and attaching? Because we have, I think it's like buy 5 or 6 boxes, get a $3 register reward, which is a Catalina offer. And the final deal, if you're entertaining for the summer months, 3 for $15.99, Pepsi, Mountain Dew, those good products. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.